Welcome to my viewers. In this video I am going to explain to you a peculiar error message in HP Inktank Wireless 419. See, I am going to give you a test page. I am going to give you a test page. See, I am going to give you a test page, print test page. I am clicking. Then I am going to watch in my printer. The printer is ready to print, which picked up the paper, now which is printing. Now which is printing. Yes, the printout is coming. Yeah, so there is no issue in printout. But after completing the printout, see here, I am getting a error message. I am getting a error message. That is 2 and E. 2 and E error message. How to solve this error message? How to solve this error message? I am going to explain to you. So for this, here simply press this stop button. Simply press this stop button. After that, go to the printer, just close the screen, then go to printing preference, then go to paper and quality, then go to advanced. There is a paper size. There is a paper size presently which is having letter. So this, I am going to click this drop down arrow. There I am going to select A4 size paper. A4 size paper, right? See, I am going to select this A4 size paper. Then click OK. Then click OK. Then click apply. Then click apply. Then click OK. Now I am going to give you a test page once again. I am going to see the feedback in my printer. See, print test page. I have given a test page. Now I am going to see in my printer. Now which is taking the paper and printout is coming. Printout is coming, right? After that, so I am going to see this printer. See, that error got rectified. That error got rectified. So, because of the paper selection, very important. If you select the A4 size paper, then you will get a correct printout. Because here one thing you should see, this is the input tray. This input tray which is having the paper sensor. The input tray which is having the paper sensor. See here, this indicates A4 size paper. So this A4 size paper, if you insert, corresponding A4 size paper only you have to select in your laptop or desktop. Otherwise, it will treat as some other paper which you have kept in your input tray, so that only which is giving 2 and E error. To solve this 2 and E error, you have to select the correct paper. You have to select the correct paper. This is the way to solve the 2 and E error. Have a nice time. Welcome. Right?